The basket is Full Incorporated, a Midwest natural food manufacturing plant. Today issued the following opinion piece article. Eat to beat disease. Use nutrition to ease what ails you. Source: from a 2002 Reader's Digest Association Incorporated book titled Fight Back with Food. See pages 10 and 11. First printing in paperback 2007. The new nutrition. Research shows that a single plant food can contain hundreds of disease-fighting nutrients called phytochemicals, compounds that are responsible for the brilliant color and distinct flavor and aroma of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Everyday foods such as green peas or potatoes or apples contain nutrients that may help ward off cancer, heart disease, depression, obesity, allergies, and other disorders. Phytochemicals in their native state act as protective barriers, shielding plants against insects, bacteria, viruses, UV light, and other environmental threats. Fortunately, the benefits of phytochemicals extend beyond the botanical world. These potent plant compounds appear to guard the human body from disease in a variety of ways. According to research, many phytochemicals help the body to dispose of potentially hazardous substances, including carcinogens, and may protect DNA in cells from damage that can trigger a disease process. I share this information to provide encouragement to take your life back. Research, research, research. Have a Basket is Full day and a blessed week. Learn more about the Basket is Full Incorporated by following us at www.perjava.com and www.javatops.com. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Basket is Full Inc.'s YouTube channel that helps the Basket produce more videos sharing information for everyone.